Oh. Yeah, I've got to get all my fishing gear on. Can't go out there and freeze. And also it's going to be a mucky job, so here we are. This is me onesie, all in one. I asked for one in blue, but they just didn't have it in stock. This is last year's colours. Ow, God. Even Houdini has trouble getting into this one. Look at that. Am I ready for some fishy action or what? Come on. I don't want to see no tiddlers. Look at the sea, man. Look at that out there. Oh, that looks wild. Woo. I'm a little bit too close. If I fell in the water with this on, which is like warm, but it's not going to give you much protection against the cold of the sea, I'd last about, they reckon, about 10 minutes in this before I freeze to death, so fingers crossed, yeah? Wow, look at that. 2 nets going out at one time. Oh, here they go. Woo-hoo! So he can check up there whether it's like full or not. If there's loads, then he'll quickly bring it in, or it might take ages. The thing that I've noticed on this trawler is everything moves. It's like if it's static, it doesn't matter. The sea's bashing it about, and then when you're down on this deck, you've got the ropes, you've got the metal coils, there's bits coming at you, shaking. It's like you really got to keep your wits about you and a hard hat on. Oh. Finally, after the trawl nets have been out for a couple of hours or so, the captain decides that they're ready to bring in. Here comes the moment of truth. Look at that, that's one of the nets. That is absolutely crammed with fish. That is a catch. In fact, I can see both nets. They're both absolutely rammed. Whoa! Jeez, man, look at that! I've never seen so many fish in my life. How many tons is that, you think? 8 tons? 8 tons of fish, and he's got another one coming in. Look at that. Woo! There you go, that's what your cod looks like. If I had that in England, that would be fish and chips all the way. That is 2 beauties, man.